Weather block. The weather is a common subject that all of us can discuss. To get quick data from a live weather service, it's a good idea to include a weather block on your online course. The first step is to go to a Government of Canada weather website where you can automatically create some HTML code that you will then copy and paste into a new weather block on your course. It sounds complicated, but it's really easy. Here's how to do it. First, I'll go to this website. Then I'll scroll down to the HTML Code Creator menu in the Weather Links section. I'll choose a province or territory, and then click on the Go button. Next, I'll scroll through a list of communities in the province or territory that I've chosen. I'll choose a location and click on the Display Code button. The HTML code appears. I'll click inside the HTML code text box and select all of the text. Finally, I'll copy this text, and now I can return to my course. On my course, I'll first click on the Turn Editing On button. Then I'll click to open the navigation drawer, scroll down to the very bottom, and click on the Add a Block link. In the pop-up menu that appears, I'll click on the HTML option. I'll scroll down through the blocks on the right to find our new HTML block. I'll click and drag on this move icon to reposition this block up toward the top. In the new HTML block, I'll click on the Actions menu icon. In the drop-down menu, I'll choose Configuring a New HTML block option. I'll type a title, Weather. Next, I'll click on this Show Advanced Buttons icon to give me more choices. I'll click on the HTML icon. I'll delete the code that appears in the editor, and then I'll paste in the code from the HTML weather code that we got from the Government of Canada weather website. I'll scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. I'll click on the Turn Editing Off button. We're finished. The HTML block appears with a weather widget inside. Your students will now have this weather information at their fingertips.